I hate camping, but I don't mind camping in a Tesla. So we're in beautiful Trentham, and I've been sent a product which is a tent specifically designed for the Tesla Model Y. So I want to unbox it now, get it set up, and see how good it is. So first things first, it actually comes with its own pump, which is interesting because it means the structure of this tent is actually made up from air columns rather than poles. So it should be relatively easy to assemble. Let's find out. And I've got my lovely assistant Paige here to help. They've sent me a hat, which is actually quite nice. Yeah.
Is it holding up on its own?
Pretty much.
Wow.
Alright, so stage one is complete. We've basically got it standing on its own. It was a bit of a workout, but yeah, we got there. Now we're going to peg it down and try and finish the rest of it.
Win. Yeah! Good job, darling.
Okay, so we had to take a short break, but you can see here that structurally it's all pretty much there. Now, we're not actually going to be sleeping in this tent tonight, but if we were, let me show you around and show you how impressive this actually is. Alright, so welcome to inside the tent. It's very spacious in here, and the best thing is that you can stand up. So even if you are to use the Tesla for sleeping, you can have this as sort of like a general living room quarters where you can get changed, you can eat meals, you can have like all your clothes set up. So it's actually very practical, and to have all these big awnings on either side means that you've got that indoor-outdoor space as well. So as far as tents go, it's pretty good. The whole purpose of this design is that it seals in the car, so it's pretty well airtight. Well enough for camping at least. And so you put camp mode on, you can seal up all these fly screens, and your temperature control will go through the boot and make its way into the back tent. So I can see this being a very popular product. Yeah, this would work. It would definitely work. You can also tell that they've really put some thought into how people are going to use this tent, so the design and functionality of it is really good. Okay, so criticisms would be that it took us a while to set up. Now, if you are going to be using this camping, they'll probably have better instructions than what we've got with this demo model. And also, I'd probably recommend trying to watch a few tutorials. The pros, well, it's actually quite an incredible product. I can see why they've gone ahead and made it. It's unbelievable that you can open the boot up and just create this massive sleeping living quarters. So yeah, if you're doing multiple days of camping, this is actually going to be really practical because you get the benefits of having an electric car, and especially a Tesla when you are camping, plus this big add-on tent at the back. So the brand is called Tentsla, and today is the day that they're finally launching their Kickstarter campaign. I'm so excited for them, and I'm going to leave the link for you below. I think anyone that loves camping and has a Tesla Model Y is going to love this product. We're certainly excited to properly take it camping ourselves, especially with our Greyhound Cooper, as we'll now easily be able to have enough room for the three of us. The quality of all the materials is also really good, like the heavy duty pegs that you get, the matte black poles, the zippers, the fabric, even the bag it comes in is designed to fit in the front or the rear boot storage in the Model Y. So yeah, massive well done to the Tentsla team. Anyway, that's enough from me. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hit me up with any questions you have about this product and I'll do my best to answer them. And until next time, I'll catch you soon in another video. pretty sure that's not the way you're meant to pack it up.